Today we're unboxing the Walmart exclusive Game of Thrones Season 4 Blu-ray. As you can see, it comes with exclusive Royal Wedding Joffrey Funko Mini, plus an exclusive look at the Royal Wedding episode. So, it's got like this super size box. As you can see, regular one's probably like that big. So you got, it looks very intimidating on the shelf. And on the back, you've got all the special features, blah blah blah, an episode guide, histories and lore, Fallen, Round Table, the politics of power, look back at season 3, Bastards of Westeros, 2 deleted scenes, behind the battle for the wall, audio commentary, new characters and locations, and season 4 blooper reel. So you've got the little Joffrey down here. All men must die. The three-eyed crow. It's all very clean looking, as usual. Disc made in Mexico. So, I'll open that up. I got my trusty pocket knife. Dogs fighting in the background. So, you pop it open. Out comes the standard Blu-ray with exclusive bonus disc. It's all nice and sealed together. Just set that aside for a second. Inside, you just pull this, and let's see. He's comes on this little cardboard thing around his legs. And come on, there. And there he is, the little bastard himself. Meh. I'm just a little king. Blah blah blah. Everybody hates me. Yeah. So he even stands up pretty nicely on his own. So we'll set him aside and open up the Blu-ray. So the Blu-ray is the planning the royal wedding. What does it what does it take to pull off the most lavish wedding in the history of Westeros? Shows creators, the cast, and many skilled artisans and technicians discuss every aspect of this infamous event from pre-production to post-production. That was a heart-wrenching episode. So, you have your usual little flap that you set aside. Come on. Stuck with a little piece of rubber. And then you have that nice, sharp, clean look. You open it up. Valar Morghulis. On the back you have the Iron Throne. Side, Game of Thrones, Season 4. Same on that side. And you have some pictures of the cast. Good old Tyrion. Digital copies over here. I think it's probably just episode. Yeah, bonus features. Yeah, just a little synopsis for each episode, and then all the special features. And then HBO sampler, your official companion piece from behind the scenes access to the making of Game of Thrones. Yeah, you have seasons 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 now available. And then some memorabilia, glassware, figures, accessories, apparel, unsullied helm replica. So yeah. Behind each one you have a picture of one of the cast. He's one of my favorite characters. He's a jerk, but season 3 like really made me like him. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching.